If you're packing for a summer vacation, I've got you covered. I'm going to share 10 easy outfits that you can wear from sightseeing to brunch to dinner to travel. I know you guys are going to be excited because I'm even sharing a few new dresses. I'm going to share outfits 1 through 10, have everything linked down below by outfit number with sizing to make it super easy to shop. We're going to get right into outfit number 1. First outfit is this gorgeous maxi dress. I love the blue and white striped detail. I love that it's asymmetrical and has just a little cami strap here, but then thicker here. However, in the back, they're both adjustable spaghetti straps. It zippers on the side, and then it has this fun cutout on this side. This is perfect for a casual dinner. I'm wearing it with flip-flops to keep it super casual, and then a little cream bag. It is lined. There's quite a bit of material under there. There are no pockets. That would be the one downfall, I would say, but I love it. You guys know I'm not much of a dress girly, but I do really love this, and I think you guys are gonna really like it too. Outfit number 2 is gonna be perfect to go grab a coffee, do a little sightseeing, maybe a little bit of shopping. It's this really comfortable matching set. I got it in the white, but I think it does come in other colors. It has 2 ties in the front, ties around the neck, also has 1 tie in the back that I maybe could have done a little bit tighter. The shorts are a little bit on the short side, but I think it's super cute how you just see a little bit of them through. I have on the same sandals, but I do feel like you could dress this up with some heels if you wanted to. And this is just a cute little clutch. Goes so well. This also has a chain for not wanting to hold a clutch. Put it like that. So adorable. I love this. Love this. Really want to see what other colors this comes in. Also think that you have to buy it as a set so that you couldn't get different sizes. I'm pretty sure, because I almost would want to see what the shorts would look like in medium, but then you have to get a medium top. I'll have the details below because I'm not 100% sure. Outfit number 3 is a perfect outfit to just wear to a casual lunch. I think it's always good to pack at least 1 pair of denim shorts when you're going on a trip. These are my dad's shorts. I like them because they're a little bit of a longer inseam. While I do have other shorts that are shorter that I do like, if I was only packing 1 pair, I would bring these because they're going to be more appropriate for more activities. I also have a pair really similar to these by Pistola that I'll link below because frankly, I'd probably pack them, but they're dirty right now because I actually did wear them on vacation. This is great basic tank to bring. It has this lace detail, tucks in really nicely. It can also be dressed up or kept casual. Same bag from the beginning. And then I haven't taken these sandals off yet. You can see that they're dirty. I've worn them a lot, but they are so comfortable. They're a perfect sandal for travel. 1, they take up no space, and 2, they're gonna go with every single outfit. And 3, they're really, really, really comfortable. I have these sandals in chocolate brown and black as well because I like them that much. Outfit number 4 does have a top, which I will share with you. I had to show you this bra that was sent to me by the brand Underoutfit. They did sponsor this portion of the video. Thank you to Underoutfit for sending me a couple bras, a cute little top, which we will talk about in a second. Their mission is for women to be overly comfortable and supportive. I will not wear a bra with wires. Absolutely not. It is a no-go if a bra or a bathing suit has wires. So I was definitely excited to try this one because it doesn't have any wires. Super comfortable, seamless, very supportive. There's a little bit of padding in there, very, very little. The straps are adjustable in the back. It has 3 clasps. Also comes with an extender, which is nice if you need to make it longer in the back, which I did not. I do have it on the loosest one. I did get a medium in this bra, and I do think a small would be better for me because I'm not quite filling out the cups. I love the navy. It is so comfortable. Definitely be wearing this. Even though I don't completely fill it out, it's still fine. Okay, and then let me show you the tank that they sent next. I went with navy as well because I thought it would be good to pair the 2 pieces together. It's super stretchy. And it's really soft, guys. It feels like butter. This I did get in a small. Let's see how it fits. You guys, this is literally my first impression. It's so good. I love it. Oh my gosh. It's so comfortable. You really can't even see the bra through. Maybe like a little bit in the back, but nothing crazy. Look how stretchy it is. I'm going to go ahead and tuck it in. It looks super cute with these cream shorts. So this is just another perfect little casual outfit for your vacation. I love these cream drawstring shorts paired with this top. I got the top in navy. I'm sure it comes in a ton of colors. You guys, it is so comfortable. The material is so thin, but in a good way, not in a cheap way. A lot of times baby fitted tees like this, one, don't fit my shoulders. This one fits really well because of how stretchy it is. I can move the seams over. Two, a lot of times tops like this are way too thick and it's not. This is really, really nice. I would say stick true to size with the top. With the bra, it was a little bit confusing with the sizing. I did get a medium, but I definitely think a small would be better. Outfit number 5 is another maxi dress. I know I promised you guys some dresses. Does this not scream resort? If you go on a resort vacation or a cruise, perfect dress to wear to dinner. You could wear it over a bathing suit. It's screaming resort night to me. I did pop on another pair of sandals with the last outfit that I didn't talk about. These are another really comfortable flat, the Nordstrom brand. They're suede. I really like them. I thought they were Sam Edelman or Steve Madden because they're so comfortable. They're another sandal that's going to go with a lot of your outfits too. This dress is lined. It does have this twist knot in the front. This dress was also sent to me. Disclaimer, some of the pieces in this video were sent to me, but they're not sponsored. Just the Underoutfit top was sponsored. These I just had to share with you guys because they were so good. And I know that you guys really love seeing dresses. Outfit number 6. I bought this dress at South Moon Under. I bought it specifically for a friend's welcome party the night before her wedding, and we had to wear white. This is exactly how I wore it with these heels and my pink Dior bag. It is so cute. Zippers on the side, ties in the back. I do have to be careful. I had to make sure that I tied it tight enough because the sleeves will come down really easily. By the brand Lulu's, and I'm definitely going to wear this more. I really like it. We know I don't love dresses, so being forced to buy dresses, I was like, Anyways, this would be perfect to wear to a nicer dinner on your vacation. I do have a little kitten heel on. These are by Jeffrey Campbell. I've had these a while. So comfortable. Pink bag is a fun pop of color. The dress has a floral little print to it. So cute in the back. Make sure you get a good look. It is lined, a little bit on the short side, but I do prefer mini dresses. The next outfit has you ready for the beach, the pool. This cover up is perfect. I love the blue. I believe it comes in neutral, probably black as well. The blue was just a little bit more fun. Sorry, my sandals are really smacking around. I did put the same sandals back on. Love a dress for a swimsuit cover up. I really do. My bathing suit underneath is reversible. Just show the top a little bit. It's just a little triangle top. And it's navy on the other side. I think it's really great. My swimsuit's from Abercrombie. It's so great to get yourself a reversible bathing suit because then when you travel, you've got 2 suits in one. Next outfit is going to be another outfit perfect for little lunch or shopping day. This outfit is Aritzia. Love this cardigan. I have it in a baby blue as well. I do size up in it. Love just wearing it by itself. It's super lightweight. You're not going to be hot in it. It's good if you're going in and out of places that might be cooler. Then I have on the mini lodge shorts. Again, I have these in quite a few colors. They're so comfy. They're great for travel because they don't wrinkle easily. I don't want to say they don't wrinkle, but they don't wrinkle easily. One thing I like to do with the drawstrings, I like to pop them inside so I don't have to worry about tying them and I don't have to worry about them hanging down and they get hidden. I like wearing the cardigan with the buttons open at the bottom. I have on the brown slides again, same cream purse, trying to keep it simple in case you are realistically packing up all of these pieces. Another top that goes so well with these shorts is this little sweater tank I picked up at South Moon Under. I love it. It's the perfect length to just sit perfectly with the shorts where you see a little bit of skin, can leave the drawstrings out or pop them back in. This tank would also go well with the denim shorts. So you'd have some pieces that you could mix and match depending on how many outfits you need for the trip. Same little thong sandals on and same bag again. So easy. I want to show you one thing with this bag. If you haven't seen it yet, it does that. When you close it up like this, it's cuter if you're going to do it for nighttime for dinner. It's a little bit dressier having that look. I like it open more for the day. Like that. Outfit number 10, we're ending with what I'm calling an elevated travel look. These are the Lodge pants. The shorts I just had on, these are the pants version, same color. Love them. I have them in 3 different colors. They don't wrinkle easily, so they're really great where you could wear them on a long flight. But then when you get off of the flight, put together. You're not in sweatpants, you're not in leggings. I did throw on these New Balance sneakers. They're really streamlined. They would be a perfect sneaker to have on a trip as well. If you're wanting to get a lot of walking in, you could wear them with all the short outfits that I shared. This is Aritzia's function tee. Love this one because it has a two-tone look, a little bit more elevated, super comfy, but I'm so put together. You could also then wear this tee with the shorts, the denim shorts, or the Lodge shorts. Could do a little front tuck if you want. So comfortable. That's it for today's 10 summer vacation outfits video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything will be linked down below. Let me know your favorite outfit down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Crochet top 10.